no lump ogbono soup, very smooth in texture and full of flavor. Let's get right into it. You can use any protein of choice, but I used cow legs, beef stripes, aka shaki, and also beef. I added some bouillon cubes and sliced onions and allowed to cook without adding water, thereby releasing its juice. This makes the meat more delicious. If you ever struggled with lumpy ogbono, this is for you. Please stick around to see my secret for getting that perfect slimy consistency without frying. Now the meat are well steamed, so I added my thoroughly washed dry fish and stockfish with some red oil. Then I added water so as to cook properly. Ogbono soup is a popular dish across Nigeria, known for its rich flavor and slimy texture. It is commonly paired with fufu, garri, pounded yam, semo, or any swallow of your choice. At this point, the meat were 80% cooked, so I stirred and added some blended meats, which include pepper, paprika, enough onions, and 8 taste elevator known as whey. Then I added a little salt, followed by the blended ogbono. And here is the secret to cooking the lumpless but not fried ogbono soup. Just add room temperature water immediately after adding the blended ogbono to the pot. Stir and allow to cook. Believe me, it is stress-free. You don't need to dissolve your ogbono in oil, nor even fry it. It will come out very smooth and perfect. After a few minutes, I checked on it. Can you see that it is becoming smooth? I gave it a quick stir to prevent burning, covered and cooked for a few more minutes. Wow, are you seeing that? So smooth and the drawing consistency fully activated. So at this point, I added my crayfish. Gave it another quick stir before adding my veggie. I used our native vegetable called awa, but ugu leaves are mostly used for this soup. But you can also use any other vegetable of choice, such as spinach, bitter leaf, oha leaves, and so on. Our smooth flavorful ogbono soup is ready to serve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumb up, share it with someone who loves good food. Subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipe. I enjoyed it with fufu, and this fufu was made by me. Please come back because in my next video I will be showing how to process fufu from scratch. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.